Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County in south-central Illinois, Jackson County, Illinois, Perry County, Missouri, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near New Athens to near Bremen to near Elias, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Willisville around 2:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Ava, Altenburg, Graham Tower, New Colony, DeSoto, Elkville, and Hearst. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 121 and 139. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Jackson and Perry, Missouri. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm